last session we have discussed about the complementary angles, and based on the complementary angles we have solved so many problems. Now before going to start the next exercise, we have to learn about the supplementary angles. What is meant by the supplementary angles? So take it here. So what is meant by the supplementary angles? So what is meant by the complementary angles? If you take any two angles, if you take this sum, if the sum is equal to 90 degrees, we can say that those two angles are complementary. Similarly here, you need to take two angles. If the sum is equal to 180, then you can say that those two angles are supplementary. So how you can state the supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Like that you can define the supplementary angles. Let us suppose consider here two angles like this. Let us consider here one angle is 120 degrees and consider one more angle. Here consider this angle is 120 degrees and consider one more angle which is 60 degrees. To check whether these two angles are supplementary or not, you have to take the sum of these two angles. So let us take the sum of these two angles, which is 120 plus 60. So what you are getting the answer, which is 180. Right? Since the sum of the two angles is 180, so we can say that these two angles are supplementary angles. This is like this, you have to check here. So what is meant by the supplementary angles? If you consider any two angles and while taking the sum, if you are getting the answer as 180, then we can say that those two angles are supplementary angles. So write a definition for this one. So how you can state the supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. You can write this one as an example. So based on these supplementary angles, we are going to solve the next exercise here. So in this, let us check it here. Suppose they will ask what is the complementary angle, what is the supplementary angle of 110 degrees. So if they ask like that, what we need to do here, what they are asking here, what is the supplementary angle of 110 degrees. That means here to find what is the supplementary angle, what we need to do, you need to subtract from 180, because here you know that you have to find one more angle such that after adding those two angles you have to get 180 degrees. So what we need to do, you need to subtract from 180. What is the value of 180 minus 110, which is nothing but 70. So here what is the supplementary angle of 110 degrees, which is nothing but 70 degrees. Why? Because if you add, you will get here 180 degrees. So we can say that the supplementary angle of 110 degrees is 70 degrees, or the supplementary angle of 70 degrees is 110 degrees. Like that you can state it here. Now see the next one. So here to take the supplementary angles, to take two supplementary angles, what should be the angle, whether they are obtuse or acute or right angle. Let us see that one. Here if you consider one right angle here 90 degrees, what is the supplementary angle of 90? What is the supplementary angle of 90 degrees? Which is nothing but 90, because you need to subtract from 180. So here what should be the other angle which is also equal to 90 degrees. Now take the sum to check they are supplementary or not. 90 plus 90 which gives you here 180 degrees. So you can consider two right angles here such that you will get the sum as 180 degrees. So we can say that these two angles are supplementary. So you can choose the right angles. And after that, let us take two acute angles here. Let us check whether you are getting or not. You will not get, but let us take it here as an example. So let us consider here one acute angle, which is here. Consider this one is 60. Now, what is the supplementary angle of 60? Just you need to subtract from 180 so that you will get the supplementary angle of 60, which is nothing but how much? Which is 120 degrees. Right? So if you are taking one acute angle to check the supplementary angle of 60 degrees, you need to take one more angle such that what angle you are getting here? You are getting here an obtuse angle. You know that here this value is more than 90, so we can say that it is an obtuse angle. So here it is not possible to take two acute angles such that their sum is equal to 180 degrees. This is an important one. It will come here, which and is there in your exercise also. Now what we are going to discuss. So here what we can say it here, if you take two right angles, you will get those two right angles are supplementary because the sum is 180 degrees. But you cannot consider two angles as acute. Why? Because since if you take one acute angle, definitely you will get the other angle is nothing but the obtuse angle. Right? Here what you are getting here, we are getting one more angle such that this angle is equal to 120 degrees. This is acute and this is obtuse. So if you take two acute angles, it cannot form as a supplementary angles. Now see the next one. Here so here we have discussed about the supplementary angles. What is meant by the supplementary angles? If you consider two angles and if you take their sum, you have to get their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Now based on this, we are going to solve the next exercise, which is exercise 3. See the first question in exercise 3. First question. So what is the first question given here? Which of the following pair of angles are supplementary? Here they have given two angles. You need to check which pair is supplementary. That means you have to add the angles and you have to check whether you are getting as 180 or not. If you are getting as the sum as 180, you can say that they are supplementary. If you are not getting the sum as 180, you can state that those angles are not supplementary. Now see the first question here. Here the first two problems I have written. One more problem is there that you can do it in the same way. Now see the first two questions here. So what is the question given here? They have given two angles. You need to check whether they are the supplementary angles or not. For that what we need to do? You need to take the sum of the angles. So let us take the sum of the angles here, which is 110 degrees plus 70 degrees. Now if you are getting as 180, you can state that these angles are supplementary. So let us add what you get 110 plus 70, which gives you here 180 degrees. Since the sum is equal to 180, supplementary angles. So here the same reason you can write it here. I am not writing, you can write it. So what you can state here, since the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees, we can say that these two angles are supplementary. Similarly, these two angles are also supplementary. Now see the next question. So second question, find the supplementary angles of the given angles. Here you have given 4 questions. In that I will solve 2 questions. You can do the remaining 2 questions in the same way. Now here what they ask here, you need to find the supplementary angle of the given angle. That means they have given one angle. You need to find one more angle such that by taking their sum you have to get the answer as 180 degrees. What is that angle? You need to find it here. Now see the first question, 105, and I am solving the third one, which is 150. So here you need to find the supplementary angle of 105 degrees. So which angle you need to add to 105 so that you are getting the angle as 180 degrees, that you need to find. That means you need to subtract 180 from 105 so that you will get the supplementary angle of this angle. So write it here, the supplementary angle of the supplementary angle of 105 degrees is nothing but you need to subtract from 180. So you will get here 180 minus 105. So subtract it. What you will get here? 180 minus 105. You will get here 10 minus 5, which is nothing but 5. Here you will get 7. 7 minus 0, which is nothing but 7. So what you are getting here? 75 degrees. So what is the supplementary angle of 105, which is nothing but 75? Because here while adding 105 plus 75, you have to get the answer as 180. You can check it here. 105 plus 75, which gives you here 180 degrees. Now similarly you can find this question. So what is the supplementary angle of 150 degrees, which is nothing but 180 minus 150. So write it here, the supplementary angle of 150 degrees is 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. So what is the value of 180 minus 150, which is 30 degrees. So the supplementary angle of 150 degrees is 30 degrees. Why? Because if you add these two angles, which is 150 plus 30, you are getting the answer, which is 180 degrees. So we can say that the supplementary angle of 150 degrees is 30 degrees. Now see the third question. So what is the third question given here? Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles justified. Just now we have discussed with that one. Two acute angles never form a supplementary angles, because if you are taking one angle as acute, definitely you will get the other angle as obtuse angle. Just now we have seen here we have took here 60 degrees, so that you got 120 degrees, which is nothing but the obtuse angle. So what the statement they have given here, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. What is the reason? Because here since the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees, so you will never get two angles as acute, right? So write the reason here. Two acute angles equal to 180 degrees. That is the reason two acute angles cannot form a pair of the supplementary angles. Now see the last question in this exercise. So what is the fourth question given here? Two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. So what is the next question here? Two angles are equal and supplement to each other. You need to find those two angles. What they are saying here? Two angles are supplementary to each other. So let us take one angle as x. And what is the supplementary angle of x, which is nothing but 180 minus n. Just now we have calculated in the before problems. They ask here what is the supplementary angle of 110 degrees. So we have subtracted from 180 from 110. Similarly here, let us consider one angle as x. So what is the supplementary angle of x, which is nothing but 180 minus x. Right? And what is it here? The two angles are supplement to each other and are also equal. So here they said that these two angles are equal. Now you need to find what are those two angles based on this condition. So let us write here, let one of the angle be x degrees. So what will be the other angle, which is nothing but 180 minus x. So write it here. Therefore the other angle is 180 minus x. Why the other angle is 180? Because they have stated in the question these two angles are supplementary. So here, if you want to find the supplementary angle of one angle, you need to subtract that angle from 180. So that we have written one of the angle is x and the other angle is 180 minus x. Now, in the question they have given that those two angles are equal. So here write it here according to the problem. What they said, two angles are supplement to each other and are also equal. So from this you will get x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus x degrees. Now take all the x values to this side. You will get here x degrees plus x degrees, which is nothing but 180. Now x plus x, which gives you here 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Now here, since here what we are doing multiplication, so if you take 2 to the right hand side, it will become division. So that you will get here x is equal to 180 degrees by 2. You know that in 2 table, you will get 180 as 90 degrees. So you will get here 90. So what is the x value here? Which is 90 degrees. This is one of the angle. So if you want to find the other angle, what we need to do? You need to subtract from 180. So write it here. Therefore, the other angle is 180 minus 90. So what is the other angle here, which is also 90? You can observe that these two angles are equal. 90 is equal to 90, and you know that these two angles are supplement to each other.